Today I'm going to be mounting the catch can and getting rid of this air oil separator. First of all, gotta find a spot to mount it to. And this is just gonna go, you know, like that. And then this will slip through something and you'll screw it in on the other side. So if we can get right there, I think that will be perfect actually. I've seen some other people mount up back here. Not too many people have done this, but I've seen some other people mount up back here, but I don't want to do that because I got to get to this AC compressor next week. So yeah, this is looking like the perfect spot right here. I'm gonna grab some Allen wrenches and get to work on that. No idea which one it is. We're gonna go with 7/64. It's probably in the instructions, but this one size too big. Don't second guess yourself, because that was it. No, this is gonna, oh man. It's too big. Fuck, that was like the perfect spot. Shit. It's my drill out here. I might have to drill a hole. Fuck. Alright, I got a drill. So I'm gonna want it like that. So I need these holes, or do I want, because this one has to go way over here like that, and then this one is gonna come to right here. So that should be, or just straight on. I think at a little angle will be good. All right. So I don't have a pen. I'm just gonna put it right here. I also don't have one of them cool punch things. I'm about to go get one of those. So how am I gonna make my punch? I do have, screwdriver's too big. I've got my drill, titanium bits. That's one hole. That's two. And I'm probably gonna do a time lapse because I'm sure this is gonna take a fucking long time. All right guys, I got holes drilled, $20 Amazon drill. Not the quickest, but it gets the job done. Perfect.
You win. Perfect.
This is definitely gonna be a pain in the ass. How can we make this not a pain in the ass? We're gonna come in through the back. That's one. Quick, get this bolt on here. Boom. Second one. This is gonna be dope. Coming in through the back again. This one's gonna be a little harder. Oh, I can't even go in right there. There's like another metal panel. So we're just gonna have to be good off of that one bolt. Wow. Guess it would help if I'm turning the right way. Fuck. I honestly think that's hella secure. I'm not going anywhere. Doubt I'm gonna be able to find that bolt. Oh, I see it. No, I'm about to say fuck that bolt. Okay, yeah. Just like that. Yep. Don't lose these. Well, I guess there is like 5 more or 3 more. Still, don't lose them, yo. Get her placed up there. Huh?
The birds, I said, they're very noisy.
Oh yeah, they're like this every day. All right, get both of them in there. All right, catch can is in place. All there's left to do is to connect the hoses. But before I do that, I need a breather filter that's gonna go on here. So I gotta run to AutoZone. This thing sucks. I can't wait to replace this.
Eventually.
All right, fuck it. AutoZone's only a 2-minute drive. I'll be right back.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Fuel filters. I need a breather filter. Should have known. Performance aisle. Well, they're out of red. So I guess we're going black. I don't even know if that's gonna fit. Dude, that's a biggie. Will that even fit under my hood? Dang, yo, who knew AutoZone would have so many performance options? I want this one, but I'm not sure if it's too big. Because that hole looks like it's too small. I'm gonna get a cool filter eventually. They got these ones with the cap. That might look cool. Paint it red. This is gonna look corny, I'm sure. We'll see. Alright, so I got my breather filter. Hopefully that fits. Now let's get back home. I'm back from AutoZone. Got my breather. Kinda sick because I'm pretty sure that... Oh, now my engine's hot. Well, this is gonna be fun with the hot engine. Alright. First things first, we're gonna take the PCV box off. Need 10mm, and it is held on. Forget how many bolts hold it on, but mine does not have however many that was. I think it was 2 or 3. Very possible mine only has this one. Nah, 2. Don't think I'm gonna need these bolts anymore, but I'll keep them just in case. They can definitely go somewhere else. Forgot that's still connected. Alright, that can come off. We'll open this up. Get this little bag out of here. And if I'm correct, that goes in there. I don't know what the fuck that's supposed to mount to. Right there. That's what that mounts to. And I guess this is what I'll reuse one of them 10mm for. I also want to get that oil cleaned up. Roll my fucking paint. And which way do I want this? Towards the back. We're gonna do this one at a time because, like I said, I don't know what hoses I'm gonna need. I'm gonna use our O-rings here. Probably gonna have to cut this. I definitely forgot to bring a knife. But that is too small. I have no idea what this is for. So where does this go now? Okay, I'm back with my knife, and now this bull's out here mowing the grass. So apologize for that. So we determined that this is definitely going to get the big fitting. Put our O-ring on. Screw the inlet in tight as I can by hand. Hit it with pliers. It's tight on there. Not the cleanest cut. Set this. Yeah, this has to be replaced by this little cap right there, and then this. Like I said, I don't think this is gonna fit. No, definitely not. Alright, that kind of works. It's a little loose, but I don't know, I'm gonna see what I can do here. Yeah, 'cause that looks like it's just gonna fly right off. It's not though, actually. Alright, well my GoPro just died, but right on time because I gotta get out of here. But I think that looks good. Yeah, so what you do, you cap off this. The hose that went from your PCV box will now go to the inlet of your catch can. The outlet from your catch can will now go to your intake, and you put a nice little breather filter on there, and it looks fucking great. Alright guys, that's my time here. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. It's been real, but I've been realer. Peace.